Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Peugeot Motorhome. External design: lightweight and durable materials. The body structure will prioritize the use of lightweight and durable materials in order to improve overall service life and fuel efficiency. Extended roof and sliding side panels to optimize internal living space and flexibility. An extended roof and sliding side panels may be added. All-terrain tires optional. Some models may have all-terrain tires for increased off-grid and adventure potential. Modern lighting design. Dynamic matrix LED headlights and distinctive taillights will create a striking and modern look. Interior and living space. Creative and stylish design. The interior of this motorhome is designed to maximize comfort and functionality, with an emphasis on maximizing available space. Comfortable sleeping area. Choose between a comfortable permanent double bed or a full-size single bed that is portable. A basic kitchen with a gas oven, sink, refrigerator, and dining space. Lots of storage. The interior will be filled with ingenious storage solutions, such as drawers, cabinets, and underbed storage. Ambient lighting. Ambient lighting will create a peaceful and comfortable atmosphere within the cabin. Performance and safety of vehicles. Based on Peugeot Boxers, powertrain options include BlueHDi diesel engines are more powerful and efficient, e.g. to point to BlueHDi with varied power levels. Electric models. e-Boxer. Based on the e-Boxer, Peugeot is most likely to offer an all-electric recreational vehicle with ranges that change based on battery capacity. Hybrid variants. It's likely that hybrid versions will be developed to increase fuel efficiency. Advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, EBA and EBFD, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Features of entertainment and technology. Modern infotainment system. Peugeot's i-Cockpit system with a touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. BlueHDi connectivity for hands-free use and audio playing on mobile phones.